So before I put my expansion tank back on my car, I really wanted to give it a little bit of a clean up and see if we could get it at least somewhere clear so I could actually see what was inside it. So there's loads of stuff on the internet, all sorts of different methods, so I thought I'd try a few for myself. But the first one, I'm just going to use a household product that I quite like using called elbow grease. And I used this on the outside, sprayed a bit on the inside, gave it a scrub, and we'll see what the results are like. So you can see inside there it is shifting something. So we'll give it a wash out and see what it's done. The outside came up brilliant, but the inside, as we'll see in a minute, has still got some stubborn stains in there, some stubborn rusty stains. Next, I thought I'd try an actual car cleaning product, which was this Demon stuff. It's actually very similar formulation to the elbow grease, I think, and that had very much the same result. Next, bicarbonate of soda. I put that in there, mixed it with a bit of water, shook it around. It fizzed quite nicely, but that was about it really. As you can see, not much change. Next, dishwasher tablet. Stuck that in there, filled it up with hot water, left it for a bit. Any difference? Nah, not really. Next method, pressure washer. Straight in through the lid. I thought this would have had better results, actually. But no. Made very little difference, I would say. Next, I thought I'd try bicarbonate of soda again without any water. Shake it all around and it's stuck to the inside. Leave it there for a bit. Nah, no change. Next, a couple of cans of Coke. Would this work? Left that in there for a couple of hours. Fizzing away. Did it make a difference? Nah, not at all. Next method, a bit of white vinegar. I'd read someone had used that, so pour it in there. Another couple of hours. No. Same. So, this is the one. I'd seen someone had tried a bit of washing up liquid, some bleach, boiling hot water. I left it in there for another couple of hours and look at that. This is actually working an absolute treat. We're almost there. So, to try and get those stubborn bits off the inside, I put some rice in there, put some water in and shook it about. Well, that had quite a useful effect, actually. And it's almost there. You can see a couple of little stubborn bits left. Now, I think at this point, what I could do is go back to the pressure washer. That's what I'm going to go and try now. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you use and would you use this method? See you soon.